The other day I was on the road taking a piece of equipment to a job site, and somebody called me and said, hey, our machine is down. We need to get this fixed. And I was able to, that day, get somebody to go to Ready Arc, pick up a loaner, and take them a machine. And so there was minimal time loss, and that's what's important. You're always going to have time loss. You're going to have equipment that breaks down, but the less time loss you have is always the better. Garrison Steel is a structural steel fabricator and erector here in Pell City, Alabama. We specialize in commercial structural steel buildings and a little bit of industrial work too. Projects range from military projects, test stands, just regular old high-rise buildings. If you can build it out of steel, we can build it. So, some of the biggest challenges we face when erecting steel is our guys have to travel. They're constantly on the road along with our equipment. So keeping up an equipment fleet and a workforce that's constantly traveling is a big challenge. On average, on our job sites, we typically have about 4 to 5 GX 330s. Being able to call up our salesmen and get equipment out there or get equipment repaired very quickly is a huge help. It's a very huge help, and it's a big relief off my shoulders as the equipment manager. I get calls all the time of people, we need a welding machine today, or we had a welding machine with a problem, and being able to go that day and have a solution to that problem is huge. The advantage of renting welders versus buying them is when something breaks on them, I can take it to Ready Arc and they can fix it. We have a wide array of equipment to work on here, so my guys don't typically specialize in certain things like the mechanics at Ready Arc do. So being able to take our equipment there, there's a fast turnaround time, and they always can get us a loaner when one of ours is in the shop. Whenever we have a broken unit, Ready Arc is generally very quick to come up with a solution on getting us a loaner machine, and then they'll either come pick up the unit or we take it to them, and typically the turnaround time to get our leased unit back is within the week. The reason we choose Ready Arc is because the staff and support at Ready Arc is phenomenal. Every time we need something, I can call my salesman. He always picks up the phone and gets us the equipment we need on time.